In this video, we are going to take a look at 9 YouTube automation niche ideas that you could start this week. We're going to take a look at some ways that you could make money. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn about 9 opportunities for YouTube automation. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so you want to go ahead and get started with YouTube automation. However, you're not sure which niche to get into. You want to make sure that there is room to grow and that it can be profitable so that you're not wasting money. So check out these 9 ideas and opportunities that I have went out and handpicked for you. The first one is actually within wealth. Now within wealth, we have Bitcoin, and you can actually start this 100% faceless without showing your face. You can either do this content yourself or you can outsource it. Now there's a few different ways that you could go about creating wealth or even Bitcoin type content. Is you can go over Bitcoin news. So anything that's late breaking and brand new, you can cover that. You can talk about people that want to make money online, they want to save money, they want to invest. There's a bunch of different avenues that you can go into with this different niche. But within the wealth niche, there are tons of opportunities. You could simply make money with the YouTube Partner Program. When you have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can also make money with affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. So what you'd want to do is go out and find relevant affiliate programs, apply to those affiliate programs, and put your unique URL called affiliate links in the description of those videos. When people click on those links and buy the product or service that you're recommending, you can make money. But the first one, I think the most obvious one, is within the wealth niche. Now within this niche, you can make CPMs, or cost per every 1,000 views, as high as $60 I've seen in some instances. After that, we have health. Now health is a large niche as well, and within health you can do all sorts of things. You can lose weight, you can gain weight, you can live a healthy lifestyle, you can eat better, you can take care of chronic illnesses or diseases. Here's an example, the bright side here. They have 43.2 million subscribers and they talk about all sorts of stuff, but you can see a lot of their content is within the health niche. For example, they have riddles in here as well, but you can see that they're creating all sorts of things. 11 things you'd better not do in bed. They talk about foods that you should eat, foods that you shouldn't eat, but you can get started with this. Now, the cool thing is within this niche, you can do animations. You can also do videos like B-roll videos. You can grab videos for free. You can use paid like story blocks. And once again, your opportunity is the YouTube Partner Program. You can sell digital or even physical products. Maybe you are into drop shipping or of course, affiliate marketing. After health, we have relationships. So how to find a significant other, how to, maybe get divorced, how to stay married, how to get your boyfriend or girlfriend to fall in love with you, things of that nature. And you can see here how to live. If we go back to the video that I found on how to live, they have, again, animation. Let's go back one. Oh, I can't go back one more time, but you can see that you can simply create content to help people solve their relationship issues. Let's see if we scroll down here, what's still lovely, why we should be babyish in love. Once again, that has 788,000 views from 2 months ago. Why you should be more selfish. Even self-help falls into relationships. And once again, there's a bunch of ways that you can make money. Affiliate marketing, selling your own physical or digital products, why you should feel sorry for high achievers, any ingredients of mental health, easy for me to say. Lots of opportunity within the relationship space. You can actually do, like I mentioned, self-help. You can find connections, find relationships. You can also be an affiliate for like eHarmony, those dating websites. You can be an affiliate for them as well. But what you can see here, if we typed in like dating advice, you're going to see that there are all sorts of channels that are dedicated to providing advice for men or women. These are all channels where they're showing your face, but you don't even have to show your face in this niche. You can just simply create content and make money. Look at this one, Psych to Go here. This is animations. They have 9 million subscribers. If we keep scrolling here, we're going to find all sorts of them. Best posts and comments. This is actually from Reddit. I would stay away from doing a Reddit channel unless you plan on monetizing with affiliate marketing or selling digital products. But you can see people are asking all sorts of questions when it comes to falling in love. Now, after falling in love, we have actually tech. Now, this channel I want to show you, 9 to 5 Mac, he shows his face in some of his videos, where in other videos he doesn't show his face, but you can do the same thing without showing your face at all. For example, he's talking about the new Mac Studio, and you can go out and find B-roll, which this is, on the new Mac Studio and Mac Mini. And you can do this all day, every day with all sorts of different tech. Now, the reason why I like Mac Studio is because it's brand new. It just came out a few months ago. And so there are going to be a lot of people searching for it. So if we did Mac Studio and hit the space bar, you're going to see that there are going to be questions that pop up now and then new questions that pop up later as more people get their hands on it. So if we did like Mac Studio teardown, you're going to see all sorts of people are wanting to look under the hood for Mac Studio. There's also going to be unboxing videos. There's going to be initial reviews and impressions, all sorts of stuff that you could create for Mac Studio and make money. So after technology, actually, let me show you one more version of technology. I really like this channel, Adobe in a Minute. They show and provide different Adobe tips in less than 4 minutes usually, and this person doesn't show his face. It's completely a screen capture where they're just showing you whatever it is that they want to show you, and then they move on to the next thing. After tech, we have financial news. Yes, you could make money simply doing financial news. Now, one of the channels that is doing this very well is Tyler Pratt. Now, I like to show this channel because he initially started off with teaching people how to make money online, different tips, tricks, and tactics to make money, side hustles, things of that nature. But more recently, he's been creating content about stimulus checks and gas prices, things of that nature. And a lot of his videos on his newer content, he doesn't show his face. So if we look at this, he is pulling B-roll and different images about Joe Biden. And so this is a great way to make money because this is considered a high CPM niche, and he can make money without showing his face. You just do a little bit of video editing. But if we look at this, you can see he's just kind of transformed his entire channel from make money online to simply just doing more political news. If we keep growing, look at this, gas stimulus checks. And what he's doing is he's just basically reading and providing his own opinion on news on news articles. So if we just kind of watch this real quick, I'll show you that that's exactly what he's doing. He's going out and finding news articles from, I would say, reputable websites, and he's skimming through them and then providing his own information. And this can actually work out very well, as you can see here. All B-roll. It's a 5-minute video. Some of his videos are usually, most of his videos are usually over 8 minutes long, but you can do this too. Another great one is actually with net worth. Now, the reason why I like net worth is because it's going to gain and garner a lot of views. You are basically within the celebrity or gossip niche. And what you're going to do here is you're just going to type in, let's do like LIL, and then we can do like net worth like this. And you can see people are looking up net worth of Lil Pump, Lil Yachty, Lil Bootsy, and all sorts of people. If we just do Lil Baby net worth 2022, you're going to see that people are creating content, and you don't even have to show your face. Once again, you're going to go grab B-roll from other sources, other websites, make sure it's Creative Commons content. But if we look at this person here is just grabbing images of Lil Baby and not in the content at all. The reason I like showing you this one, 133 subscribers, 1.3 thousand views. And if you just do this again and again and again over a long period of time, you have the opportunity to make decent amount of money. This person is deep within the celebrity niche, talking about Post Malone and Drake and all sorts of people. But I like doing the net worth thing because it can actually garner a higher CPM based on the keywords that you use. After celebrity gossip net worth, we actually have YouTube. So yes, you could make money teaching people how to make money on YouTube or how to get more subscribers and more followers. If you look at this channel, for example, Gallagher, 100,000 subscribers. Now, I know for a fact, because one of my YouTube channels is in this YouTube niche, this is a high CPM niche. You can get anywhere between $10 to $45 depending on the type of content that you make. And as you can see here, simply creating content. Most of his videos in the very beginning, he didn't show his face. There may be a few sprinkled in here where he does show his face on the screen here, but for the most part, his original videos, he didn't show his face at all. If we look at this one, uploaded yesterday, I don't believe he shows his face, but you can see that is an opportunity as well. After YouTube, we have how to draw or drawing for beginners. Now I like this because there is lots of opportunity to make money. It gathers thousands of views. Look at this top result, 1.9 million views from just a year ago, 355,000 subscribers. lots of views simply teaching people how to draw. And what you just need to do is point your camera at your paper or canvas and draw whatever it is. There is tons of things that people want to see drawn. Either they're going to draw it themselves or they're just watching it for entertainment. If people are drawing it themselves, they're going to pause it and rewind it. I know that this is really popular because when my kids were in virtual learning, at the end of class in kindergarten, they would actually request to draw something, like how to draw, let's do how to draw something like LOL dolls or something like that, or how to draw a dinosaur. And people would stay after class and they would ask to pause and rewind. And so you can see 13 million views, 6.8 million views, 410,000 views. Now, with this type of channel, the CPMs are going to be probably between $5 and $10, but you're getting 13 million views. That's going to be an opportunity to make money. You can see some of these are where they show their face. Many more of these are faceless like this one. And the final one that we have are simple how-to videos. Now check this one out. I like this. How-to videos. This person is basically just teaching you how to remove or delete certain things. I'm going to do a TikTok video on this later, but you can create a channel about how to permanently delete. So if we delete this like that, you're going to see people are asking questions about how to permanently delete different things. For example, I just looked this up myself, how to permanently delete photos from iPhone, because I keep forgetting how to do it. And you can see top result, 41,000 views. The one below it, 1 million views. The one below that, 201,000 views. This person only has 341 subscribers. Now, believe it or not, within this niche, you can actually make money with the YouTube Partner Program and affiliate marketing depending on the video that you create. For example, like how to permanently delete followers from Instagram. There are different apps out there that will do that for you. If you become an affiliate for that app, you can make money. But look at this. There are thousands of views. You would think that there wouldn't be so many views, but there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views on how to permanently delete photos. So let's go ahead and recap real quick. So we have health, wealth, relationships, technology, news, celebrity/gossip, YouTube, art, and how-to. Now that you know the 9 niches that you could start today to make a YouTube automation or cash cow channel, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, austingodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.